This video will show you the differences between a major in business administration and economics and the opportunities that they can provide. According to pay scale, the average salary of a person who has a degree in business administration is $67,000. However, you can expect an entry-level position to pay less than that. Also, according to pay scale, an entry-level business administrator can expect to earn $56,000 per year. According to pay scale, the average salary of someone with a bachelor's degree in economics is $72,000. The difference could be that an economics degree will involve more statistics, which can help when applying to analyst-type job roles, which are quickly growing in demand. A business administration major will have you taking classes from a range of disciplines, including business, finance, accounting, and economics. As a result, a business degree is a somewhat general degree that is not specialized for a particular type of job, except for business administration. This means that the degree can qualify you for a large number of jobs. However, you will often be less competitive than people who have degrees related to the specific jobs. According to the data on pay scale, jobs you can qualify for with a bachelor's degree in business administration can include project manager, marketing manager, accounts manager, operations manager, and a financial analyst. While it can be difficult to compete with people who have degrees related to the specific job roles, you can improve your job prospects by getting internships, completing projects, and learning skills related to specific jobs that you are interested in, as well as choosing electives that are related to that job. According to the data on pay scale, with a bachelor's degree in economics, you can expect to qualify for jobs such as data analyst, business analyst, operations manager, financial analyst, and an actuarial analyst. A degree in economics will qualify you for a lot of analyst-type job roles. Many of these roles will require the knowledge of programming in languages such as R and Python. While doing an economics degree, it would help a lot to make sure to learn how to do data analysis in R and Python. Sometimes R will be taught in an economics degree, but rarely Python, so you will likely need to self-study them. It would also help to complete projects that show that you can make use of R and Python to analyze data. Economics can also be a pathway towards data science, but it will be necessary for you to take classes related to statistics, machine learning, and data science, or at least to self-study them and to complete projects. It would also likely help to take some computer science classes. If your university does not offer data science classes, it would be necessary for you to self-study them using websites such as edX, Coursera, Udemy, or DataCamp. When compared with alternative degrees such as computer science, statistics, or math, an economics degree will not usually be as competitive for data science type roles. This is because an economics degree will involve less math, advanced statistics, and computer science classes. Economics can also be a general degree, so getting a job with a bachelor's degree in economics by itself can be difficult, which is why it would help to supplement the major with more applied classes towards the jobs that you are interested in. Overall, a business administration major will usually be relatively easy when compared with alternative majors such as finance, economics, and accounting. The reason for this is that, being a general degree, you will not be taking many specialized classes that tend to be more difficult that other majors would include in their junior and senior years. The difficulty of an economics major will depend a lot on the specific program. Some economics programs will be more math heavy and focused on statistics and its use in economics, whereas other programs will not even require calculus and will be more focused on broad economic theory. Often, the more math-heavy economics majors will actually be called econometrics instead. If you do decide on an economics major, it would help a lot to consider what you want to get out of it and the jobs you are interested in, so that you can choose an economics program that is more suitable for you. In a business administration degree, you can expect to take classes from areas such as marketing, accounting, management, economics, finance, business law, business ethics, and business principles. You can also expect to take other business classes in your required classes, and to be able to take classes from other disciplines in your electives. It would help to consider what job you are most interested in, and to choose your electives accordingly. As just mentioned, economics programs can vary significantly. However, there are some classes you can expect to be taking, including Principles of Micro and Macroeconomics, Intermediate Micro and Macroeconomics, Introductory Statistics and Probability, Political Economics, Econometrics, Topics in Money and Finance, and Topics in Banking. Depending on the specific program, you might also be required to take some mathematics classes, including calculus, linear algebra, and discrete mathematics. When compared with a degree in business administration, you can expect an economics degree to qualify you for more jobs that pay better and have better metrics, such as in analyst-type job roles. Also, if you are interested in going to graduate school for economics, an economics degree would be more appropriate. However, in this case, it will be important to make sure to take extra math classes and to cover at least linear algebra and multivariable calculus. A business administration degree can also qualify you for a number of different jobs, but they might not pay as well as what you could get with an economics degree, combined with a more applied minor such as computer science or finance. If you decide to get a business administration degree, it would help a lot to make sure to take classes related to the type of job that you are interested in, to learn skills related to that job, to complete related projects, and to get internships during the summer. I would also strongly recommend that you at least consider getting a minor in a more applied subject, such as computer science or finance, since it will improve your job prospects considerably. It would help a lot to take the time now to research different types of jobs that you think you would be interested in, and what sorts of classes you should be taking for those jobs. One thing that could help would be to talk with recruiters for that job role and to ask what they look for in terms of classes, projects, internships, and the most common major. Also, if you are interested in an economics or business administration major, there are alternative majors that can have better job prospects. These majors can include finance, accounting, or statistics.